Here's something personal I would like to share about this performance. Is actually not about the music, it's about my dress. You're gonna laugh, or I'm laughing. We're not about dress at Sound of Water, as you can see. We're all about the music, and it's improvised music. So it's whatever comes through. It's like you're an instrument. We're using instruments, but we are the instruments. And that's what I love about it, because it kind of bypasses the mind. Of course, the mind is always there. Human creatures that we are, the mind, as you know, the thoughts, very hard to not have thoughts. However, my own experience is that when I do a session or a concert with Sound of Water, I can push them aside. Yes, the mind will be there kind of judging or thinking something, but a lot of times it's being bypassed. Oh, and I just have to say that the performance was inspired by the exhibition that was in this church. There's very colorful paintings and long materials, like hangings. And the artist said she was inspired to her art through her dreams and her childhood. So we're picking up on that.
This is the sound of dreams.
So here's what's special about my dress. This dress was actually worn by my mother on her wedding day. It was her wedding dress.
This is the sound of childhood.
And the funniest thing that happened on this day was that Sandy, who you can hear and see at the harp and singing, she came with this white fluffy jacket and said to me, "Why don't you wear this? It kind of goes with your dress. It looks really good." And my colleagues, they all said, "Yeah, put it on. It looks really good." And then later on, I realized that the wedding photograph of my mother was showing exactly that outfit. She wore this dress and that white jacket when she got married to my father. And both my parents don't exist in this world any longer. They've passed away a long time ago. And somehow I felt this was significant, that I was wearing this dress and this jacket. It kind of was a healing, and because it was all about the childhood, the inspiration of childhood, it had a deeper, much deeper meaning to me, and maybe you can relate to that. That sometimes something that might seem trivial on the outside, like a dress, like a jacket, but it can have a deep meaning, and it's almost like the universe is talking to you, saying, "Hey, it's okay now. You're at peace with your childhood." So these words came to me. Follow me to a place in my heart. There you will find the colors and the dreams of your childhood. And you see, because it's all improvised, it's not premeditated or planned, so something in me, you can see it kind of stirred and got to sing and move more intensely. I think it was this stirring of the colors and the childhood and what it really felt like. Do you remember the feelings you had in your childhood, how it felt being a child?
I found it strange yet perfectly balanced. That I needed my wounds to heal my faith. That I needed my faith to heal my wounds.
So here Sandy pulls up another wonderful quote from the poetry of Rumi, written 800 years ago. And it says, I needed my wounds to heal my faith, and my faith to heal my wounds. Now, this is where I think I have come full circle, because obviously this performance triggered inside me
Follow your dreams.
feelings of dreams and childhood, and wearing my mother's wedding dress and being given this jacket that exactly matches what she wore.
Follow the color.
It kind of takes me back to even
Follow your
before my
dreams.
childhood, before I was
Follow your
even
dreams.
conceived.
Follow
And we all
your
have
dreams.
very deep wounds, don't we? Think about it. We pretend we don't have them. We go through life showing our faces on the outside as if we were perfectly balanced and normal. But inside, I think all of us, we have these childhood wounds. And very often, wounds are portals for spiritual growth and healing.
Follow your dreams.